Hey guys, I'm gonna do a fireworks stash for 2021. So, I got everything lined out here. So, we'll kind of go through everything and go from there. So, we got our NOADs. We'll start with that. We got Jellyfish King. We got Amazing Ghost Ring Effect. The Ghost Rider. Rainfall from Mega Banger. And then over here, have a few more. Midnight Sun. It's a Winda. Yin Yang. That's Winda. Then we go into 2-inch cake here, Captain America. And then down here in the front, we have Amazing Ballet. We have Amazing Ballet Mini that did not go off in one of my previous shows. So we're going to retry that. Sorry guys, I'm old. And some of our shells here. Nishiki Kimura 5-inch. I've never shot these. Kind of excited. Juggernaut. Hogwarts. Literally Lit. Blue Cherry. Rainmaker. Back there. Sky Diamond. A couple 200-gram cakes. It's a Electric Jellyfish. Willow Forest. Some more ball shells. These are the color changing. I shot a few of these. I really like these. It's a special effect. A couple more 200-gram cakes. A couple Mega Minis. I'm going to shoot both of those off at the same time. Get a little zipper. Avenge the Night. Rampage. Always Dreaming. Adrenaline. And Minions Revenge. All those are really good cakes. Back here in the back, I don't know if you can see it, is Super Kung Fu. Palm King. Peony Garden. Super Stunt. That's actually one of my favorite cakes, Super Stunt. It's got really nice big brakes. War Stopper. Another one of my favorites with big brakes. Crazy Joe. Extreme Explosion. American Power. Couple of Nishiki. Yeah, $20 Nishiki cakes, not bad. El Dorado. Yeah, Massive American. Red, White, and Blue cake by Big. And Black Hole Sun. Crack of Dawn. Saturn Ring, the Pro Level Dominator. Another Nishiki cake. That's another Dominator Pro Level. Got Positive Pyro. It's that new Cody V cake. Chasing Booty. Joker's Girl. Pick that one up. It was only 15 bucks. One Bad Mother. One Bad Mother-in-Law. Fighting Rooster. Yeah. Some of our fan cakes over here. Got another Pro Level Domination. That's going to be a really good cake. And Zombie Escape. And some more of the premium shells. These are Flying Fish. Or better half loves these. And I went with classic shells. I have Exterminator shells. There's a 12-pack of those. I've got the X-Gals back there. And I also went with these. I've never shot these ring shells. Mountain Mama, Remember the Alamo. Open fire. Yikes. That's a fun cake. I got this long cake here. Mainframe. Uno Loco. Flipping the bird. And this is my stash so far. All of these are going to be shot off in a show that will not be on July 4th. It will be July 24th. It is for our wedding. And it's going to be an amazing show. A lot of these have been hand-picked. A lot of the shells that are being shot are special effects. You can see like the Saturn ring. It's a nice special effects shell. All the Kimuras, of course, everybody loves the Kimura. And we got Bake or Break cakes. All these have a special effects break to them. So that's the show. That's not the finale. We'll do the finale next.